The world of reality television is no stranger to unexpected twists and emotionally charged revelations, but the recent developments surrounding 1000 LB Sisters star Amy Slayton's fiancé have sparked intense public interest and widespread concern. The TLC hit show, known for chronicling the lives, struggles, and transformations of the Slayton sisters, has always blended moments of humor with the gritty reality of health challenges, familial discord, and personal evolution. However, as the spotlight now shifts onto Amy Slayton's mysterious romantic partner, fans and critics alike are asking one troubling question: did Amy's fiancé suffer a mental breakdown, or is something even darker at play? Amy Slayton, whose personal life has been closely followed by millions since the debut of 1000 LB Sisters, has become a symbol of strength, vulnerability, and resilience. From her dramatic weight loss journey to her turbulent relationship with her now ex-husband Michael Halterman, Amy's evolution has been anything but linear. Yet amid the chaos, she remained a fan favorite, constantly juggling motherhood, her own health challenges, and the demands of reality TV. When whispers began to surface of a new man in her life, someone reportedly far removed from the entertainment industry, there was caught us optimism. Amy deserved happiness. But now, the story appears to have taken a disturbing turn. In the past several weeks, social media has erupted with speculation surrounding Amy's fiancé, whose identity she has kept relatively private. While the show has offered only teasing glimpses and vague hints, off-screen chatter paints a different, more troubling picture. According to sources close to the production, there has been increasing concern about the fiancé's behavior, both on and off set. Crew members reportedly witnessed erratic mood swings, paranoid episodes, and troubling outbursts that prompted emergency production meetings. One insider claimed, there were moments when everyone just froze. It wasn't acting, and it wasn't stress. Something deeper was going on. Fans first began to take notice during a live stream Amy posted on TikTok, which she later deleted. In it, her fiancé was seen pacing in the background, visibly agitated, and at one point, he appeared to be talking to himself. Amy, clearly distracted, abruptly ended the video with an apology, saying, "We're just having a rough night, y'all." That clip, though removed from her account, had already made its way across Reddit and YouTube, sparking waves of concern. Users dissected every frame, noting everything from his dilated pupils to a barely audible phrase he muttered that some believe was a delusional rant. Was this merely a moment of stress, or the symptom of a serious mental health crisis? Mental health struggles are not uncommon, especially in the high-pressure world of reality TV. Yet Amy's situation is complicated by the fact that this man has remained largely anonymous. Little is known about his background, mental health history, or even how long the couple has truly been together. That secrecy, intentional or not, has only fueled the rumors. One popular theory posits that he may have already been battling untreated mental illness prior to meeting Amy. Others worry that his sudden exposure to the public eye may have triggered latent psychological issues. Adding fuel to the fire are reports that police were called to Amy's residence in Kentucky late one night last month. Though the official police report remains sealed, neighbors have claimed they heard shouting and what sounded like objects being smashed inside the house. One neighbor, speaking under condition of anonymity, stated, "It was loud, like, not just a fight. You could hear someone crying out. It was scary." No arrests were made that night, and Amy has not publicly addressed the incident. Still, the silence has only deepened the mystery. What makes the situation even more precarious is Amy's ongoing custody battle with Michael Halterman over their two children. If her fiancé is indeed unstable, it could have serious legal implications. Family law experts say that the court could view such an environment as unsafe for young children, particularly if mental illness or violent behavior is involved. One attorney not affiliated with the case commented, "In custody disputes, the presence of a mentally unstable adult in the home, even if not directly abusive, can be a major red flag." Judges prioritize the safety and emotional well-being of the children above all else. Supporters of Amy argue that the media is being unfairly intrusive, turning personal hardship into public spectacle. They point out that mental health crises are deeply personal and deserve compassion, not sensationalism. However, Others counter that when someone chooses to live their life on reality TV, and especially when children are involved, there is a certain level of public accountability. If Amy's fiancé is experiencing a breakdown, then the priority should be to get him help, not sweep the issue under the rug. Meanwhile, TLC has remained largely silent on the matter, declining to comment on whether the incident will be addressed in upcoming episodes. That silence has left fans to speculate whether producers are simply biding their time or preparing a major narrative reveal. There's precedent for this. Reality shows often withhold dramatic developments until sweets periods to maximize ratings. Still, some critics argue that TLC has a duty of care not only to its viewer but to its stars, especially when mental health is at stake. In a twist that many didn't see coming, Amy posted a cryptic message on Instagram just days ago. It read, "Sometimes the people we love the most are the ones we understand the least. Please pray for peace." She disabled comments on the post, but not before dozens of followers responded with messages of support and worry. Some interpreted the post as a sign that Amy is standing by her fiancé, while others see it as a quiet cry for help. Adding to the swirling speculation, a supposed friend of Amy's fiancé came forward in a now-deleted Facebook post, alleging that he had suffered a breakdown in the past and had been on medication. He stopped taking his meds last year, the post claimed. He thought he didn't need them anymore. We tried to help but he pushed everyone away. If true, this revelation changes the context of the current situation significantly. Going off medication can have serious and dangerous consequences for individuals with diagnosed mental illnesses, often leading to psychosis, paranoia, and even violence. The implications of this scenario are vast. On a personal level, Amy may be facing the collapse of yet another intimate relationship. After enduring a painful and public divorce, she had hoped to find stability and security. That hope, according to many fans, may now be shattered. On a broader scale, the situation highlights the often overlooked intersection between mental health, media exposure, and personal accountability. What happens when reality TV stops being entertaining and becomes genuinely frightening? While the public waits for clarity, there are few easy answers. Amy's story has always been one of struggle, growth, and perseverance. Now, she faces perhaps the most complex challenge yet, not one that can be solved by surgery or therapy alone, but one that strikes at the very core of love, trust, and safety. Whether her fiancé is suffering a temporary breakdown, a chronic mental illness, or something even worse, remains to be seen. What is clear, however, is that Amy is once again standing at a crossroads. Only this time, the stakes may be higher than ever before. As the story continues to develop, fans remain glued to social media and upcoming episodes, desperate for any update, any glimpse of truth behind the shadows. Is Amy Slayton safe? Is her fiancé getting the help he needs? Or are we witnessing another tragic unraveling, one heartbreak at a time, behind the unforgiving lens of a camera? For now, all anyone can do is speculate, and hope that somewhere, in the chaos, Amy finds peace. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.